Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how students can buy a car in Germany. It's a common question, and the good news is it's definitely possible. Having your own vehicle can offer incredible freedom, especially for exploring this beautiful country. However, there are several important factors to consider, from budgeting to legalities. We'll go over everything you need to know to make an informed decision and ensure a smooth car buying experience as a student. Let's talk about the money side of things. Buying a car involves more than just the sticker price. You'll need to budget for registration, annual taxes, and of course, fuel. Don't forget about maintenance, which can add up over time, and potential parking costs, especially in city centers. Many students find success by saving up, exploring special student loans, or getting a little help from family. Planning your finances thoroughly is a crucial first step. Now, let's cover the legal and practical steps. First, you'll need to understand the German car registration process, which involves specific paperwork and visits to local authorities. Make sure your driver's license is valid here. International licenses often have a grace period. Most importantly, car insurance is not optional. It's a legal requirement. You must have at least third-party liability insurance before you can even think about driving your new car on German roads. To wrap things up, here are some smart choices for students. A used car can be a fantastic option, offering great value and lower initial costs compared to a brand new vehicle. Also, don't forget about Germany's superb public transport system and various car-sharing services, which might be more economical depending on your needs. Finally, be aware of environmental zones in many cities and always consider parking availability. Making an informed decision will ensure your car ownership is a positive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.